Hello, how are you? こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Today is the second part of Karatedo 20分 20 Principles of Karatedo by Funakoshi Sensei. Well, the sixth is, so today is from 6th till the 10th. The sixth is 心は放たんことを要す。心は放たんことを要す。Well, this is the old style of Japanese. It means 心は放つことが必要です。心は放つことが必要です。And what does this mean? 放つこと。放ちます。or 放たんこと。This is like, for example, 弓道。Do you know what is 弓道? It's like with arrow, then this is 放ちます。Then arrow goes. 放つ is to get it free. 放つこと。放ちます。心は放たんことを要す。要す it comes from 必要です。So it means that always be ready to release your mind. So 放ちます。release. So it's like the Zen percept. Zen. Do you remember what is Zen? This is Buddhism. The Buddhism percept the way of thinking of Zen. And do you remember that I already talked about it in Mushin? In one of my videos, there's Mushin. Mushin is empty your mind. Empty your mind. So if there are too many preoccupations, worries inside of our mind, in our heart, that's not good. We must be very clear of all of them. And also, I talked about meikyo shisui. Meikyo shisui. It means meikyo. This is the mirror. It's very clear. When the mirror is very clear, that reflects your image so clearly. But if it's very dirty, I can't see anything because it's too dirty, right? Meikyo shisui. Shisui is the water is stopped. Water is very calm. When the water is very calm, that reflects the image. For example, do you imagine some kind of lake and the water is very calm? Then the beautiful moon is over in the sky. Then the moon reflects on the water. But if the water is very agitated by wind like that, then the image is not clear. So it means that our heart, our mind must be very calm and without any preoccupations. So 心は放たんことを要す。心は放たんことを要す。Always be ready to release your mind, and your mind must be very clear. The seventh concept. This is 災いは下体に生ず。These two kanjis, 下体 or Ketai or Ketai. I really don't know which pronunciation is correct because it depends on the book. Sometimes it says Ketai or Ketai or Kaitai. But the meaning is the same. Well, the pronunciation, one must be correct, but this is old style and I really don't know it, so I'm sorry. Well, this means negligence or laziness because Tai, it comes from namakemono, lazy person. Wazawai, yeah, this one we use it nowadays too. Wazawai, this is accident or unfortunate things or anything bad, there is wazawai, wazawai. So unlucky things, wazawai. Wazawai wa getai ni shozu. Shozu, it means to happen, to occur. Or this is from umaremasu, to born. Wazawai wa getai ni shozu. This means accidents arise from negligence. Yeah, that is really true. Wazawai wa ketai or kaitai ni shozu. So we must be we must prepare everything well, because if we are too lazy to prepare something and we don't do it, maybe some accidents occurs, right? So wazawai wa ketai or kaitai ni shozu. The eighth concept, that is this. Dojo no mi no karate to omou na. Dojo no mi no karate to omou na. Well, this omou na, this is again the old style. Here it says omo fu hakifu, but actually we write omou, a i u, omou na. Don't think. Omou na. 思わないでください。思うな。道場のみ。のみ。that is だけ。solamente 道場。道場のみの空手と思うな。Don't think that the karate is only inside of dojo. 道場のみの空手と思うな。Do not think karate training is only in the dojo. That is 道場のみの空手と思うな。Well, in Buddhism, Buddhism says that our whole life from when from the birth till the death, whole life is like dojo. Well, it's like the place where we learn a little by little to get better, to get a better person. So whole life is like dojo. That is in Buddhism. And also, the Funakoshi Sensei wrote a book titled Karatedo Nyumon. Karatedo Nyumon. And in that book, he says that we must consider that the daily life is just a part of your training, your karate training. So, and the karate spirit is valid in your daily life too. But when I said spirit of karate, that is the spirit of karate that Funakoshi Sensei is telling us. So he's telling that the karate is not to fight, but mostly very, very important, our spirit, our mind. So that kind of thought must be valid in our daily life. And the karate training is for everything, for every tiny things too. So, dojo no mi no karate to omou na. Dojo no mi no karate to omou na. The ninth concept is 空手の修行は一生である。空手の修行は一生である。Well, 一生である。It is 一生です。一生。This is one. 生。This is from the life. So, and 空手の修行。Well, 修行. This is translated as training or training. But 修行, it is, so you can imagine the Buddhist monks. So when they train themselves, that is something very, very hard, not only for the physical, but also psychical and spiritual. For example, the Buddhist monks maybe go to the mountain and they must find themselves, they must find their light, or like that. That is Shugyo. So Shugyo, it's not the mere training, the physical training, but something so hard, so difficult to achieve. So that is Shugyo. Karate no Shugyo, so that this training of karate is for whole life. But now you know that when they said Shugyo, this is not only the normal training, so something very, very difficult, something very hard, because it's mostly from the spiritual, the spirit, in the mind, and also physical. That is karate no shugyo. And here, karate no shugyo, this training of karate is for whole life without any limit. So it doesn't finish. 空手の修行は一生である。Now, today's the last phrase, the 10th. あらゆるものを空手化せよ。そこに妙味あり。あらゆるもの、あらゆるもの。That means everything. Everything. Anything. That is あらゆるもの。すべてのもの。あらゆるものを空手化せよ。せよ。That is the order. 空手化しなさい。すべてのものを空手のようにしなさい。あらゆるものを空手化せよ。So everything you must do it like karate. You must do with spirit of karate. But, 空手化せよ. This here it means with the spirit of karate. But the spirit of karate that Funakoshi Sensei is teaching us now. That is the spirit of this karate. Not only for the karate movement, but with all our heart. So, あらゆるもの, everything we must do with the spirit of karate that he's teaching us. そこに in that place, and then maybe you can get to the myomi. This is very difficult to translate. Myomi is something very like secret, but the very subtle secret or exquisite beauty. This is myomi. In that place, this myomi, you might find your myomi. So something so subtle, subtle secret. So now you can find this secret, or you can find the beauty in your life. That is, あらゆるものを空手化せよ。そこに妙味あり。In English, put your everyday living into karate, and you will find the subtle secrets. This is あらゆるものを空手化せよ。そこに妙味あり。So today we learned these other 5 phrases. We still have 10 more, and I'm going to continue it. Did you like this video? If you like it, please give me a like. Then, and if you have any questions or suggestions, you can write in the commentary. I love your commentaries. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. どうもありがとうございました。じゃあね、また。